Hi, welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. Math, big ideas. Here's our even number addition investigation, presented live for you to follow along. Investigate the two even numbers, 2 and 4. I'm going to make my first even number. Oops, that's not what I want. I want my pen. And I want it medium size, so I'm going to try that again. Okay, kind of that nice pinkish. It's going to be my 2. Then I'm going to do my 4. I want to show if these come out even. So I need to join them together into groups of 2. One group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2. The sum is even. The sum of 2 and 4 is even. Next, let's see what happens when we add 6 and 4. I'm going to make 6 red dots. They touched a little bit there, but that's okay. And I'm going to make 4 orange dots. There is my 6 and my 4. And I want to see if they come out even, so I want to partner them up. Those two go together, those two partner, those are a partnership or a pair, because a pair is 2, and these ones partner up. The sum is even. Let's investigate what happens when I use the two even numbers, 2 and 6. So I'm going to do 2 red, and I'm going to do 6 orange. And then I'm going to put them into pairs, because knowing if they're a partnership or a pair is going to let me know for sure if it is an odd or an even number. And you might have even seen that before I started to group them together, that they were going to come out even with a partner or a pair. Let's see what happens to the sum of the two even numbers 6 and 8. So I'll start with my red. Ooh, that's a little big. So we're making 6 red dots. And then when I get to the 8, I think I may have to subbutize those as a 4 and a 4. Your eyes may already be looking for those pairs of numbers. I want a partnership or a pair to join them together in a pair. If the numbers have a partner or a pair, then I know that the sum is even. So when I add the two even numbers 6 and 8, the sum is even. Predict. What do you think is going to happen when I add the two even numbers 2 and 2? Let's take a look. There's 2 red dots, and there's 2 orange dots to stand in for my yellow. And when I join them, I can put them in a pair. The direction I put them in a pair doesn't matter. I could have gone up and down. Just want to make them groups of 2. And of course, they come out even. Let's try to see what happens when we join 10 and 10. So we're looking at the sum of 10 and 10. So I'm going to subbutize this into 2 groups of 5. There's one of my 10s. And another group of 5. Now this one is going to be a little trickier as I draw my connecting lines to put them in partners. Okay, so let's see. Partners, so I'm going to make my pencil a little skinnier for us. These 2 are partners. partners, partners, partners. I had to kind of get creative. I'm going to do this one a different way. Partners, partners. I'm just finding something to join it to. Partners, partners, and partners. The sum is even. You are very welcome to try this experiment adding even numbers together to see if you find it's always true. What did we discover here together? Well, we added two even numbers. The sum was even. Every time we circled even. When you add two even numbers together, the sum is always even.